In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete filtered rows in Excel. This is a really useful skill if you're working with large data sets and you only want to remove specific entries without touching the rest of your data. Maybe you've filtered for a certain status, a date range, or a category, and now you just want to delete those visible rows. Done the wrong way, Excel can accidentally delete hidden rows too. So let's walk through the right way to do it. First, open your Excel file and make sure your data is formatted as a proper table, or at least as a continuous range with headers. Click anywhere inside your data, then apply a filter. You can do this by going to the Data tab and choosing Filter, or by using the keyboard shortcut, usually Ctrl+Shift+L on Windows or Command+Shift+L on a Mac. You should now see little drop-down arrows next to each column header. Next, decide which rows you want to delete by applying a filter. Click the drop-down arrow on the relevant column and choose the criteria that will narrow down the rows you want to remove. For example, you might filter to show only rows with a certain value or exclude blanks. Once you apply the filter, Excel will hide all other rows and display only the ones that match your filter. Now comes the important part: selecting only the visible filtered rows. Click and drag on the row numbers along the left-hand side to highlight the filtered rows you want to delete. Make sure you're selecting by row numbers, not just cells within the rows. If your filtered rows are not all together, you can hold down Ctrl or Command while clicking individual row numbers to select multiple visible groups. With those visible rows selected, right-click on one of the selected row numbers and choose Delete Row from the menu. Alternatively, you can go to the Home tab, find the Delete drop-down in the Cells group, and choose Delete Sheet Rows. Excel will now delete only the visible rows you selected and keep the hidden, unfiltered rows intact. When you're done, clear the filter to check your work. Go back to the Data tab, click the Filter button again, or use the same keyboard shortcut you used earlier. Your full dataset will reappear, now without the rows you just deleted. That's all there is to it. By filtering first, selecting only visible rows, and then deleting, you can safely remove exactly the data you don't need while keeping the rest of your spreadsheet clean and accurate.